to be beautiful. Come through the legends. Two legends on one stand. Legends of sound on one stage. Awilo and Afrigo Band. Guys, you're not ready.
Okay, Salvador, you've been here for a while.
Yeah.
So what do you expect from Awilo and Afrigo Band?
Listen, the first time I saw Awilo perform at Serena. Okay. He killed it. The first time I saw Afrigo perform, they killed it. Now imagine two killers on the same stage. Okay. Imagine two killers on the same stage. That is a murder. That's
murder. So you expect to be murdered? No,
it's going to be a beautiful show. That one I can tell you for sure.
Okay. Yeah. Everyone has been here for long.
Yeah.
Everyone is appreciating Awilo. Awilo is appreciating Afrigo Band.
Yes.
Salvador, take us through the memory lane of Awilo and the Afrigo Band.
Listen, growing up we were listening to Awilo Longoma. That one I'll tell you for a fact. I come from a Congolese family. My mom is Congolese. So it was obvious that we had to grow up listening to Lingala music. And the likes of Wenge Muzika, Kofi Olomide, Franco, Madilu System, Pepe Kale, Awilo Longoma. Those are the musics we came growing up to because it was authentic. And I loved what Awilo said. Let us go back to when music made sense. Right now, Amapiano comes, everybody jumps on Amapiano. Over what comes Chidandali, everybody jumps on that. Nobody wants to be original with their own sound. Like he said, back in the day, you would listen to music and say, that's Franco. You listen to music, you say, that's Pepe Kale. But now you listen and you just say, that's Amapiano. You cannot even name the artists. So that kills the whole essence of being creative and being original. So it was beautiful.
Ngatuvude kwa Awilo Longoma Afrigo Band Salvador ebitu bigenda mu gwango bimanyi tusoke tutandikire eri emabega mwakola meeting eyaba comedian yale kwata kuki
twali twagala kuforminga kibiina era twakiforminga federation association yes
namwe mwagala sente
nedda we wanted to just be organized kyava ku reason yali omuto waffe King Kong we yafa tetumanyi jabeera tetulina information tetumanyi oba yali mu ddwaliro ki oba bamuziikawa. It was so painful. Netugamba, listen, if we have an association where we have a pool on contacts of each and every one of us, we will be able to help out each other, especially in terms of need. An association okujijoininga omwaka osasole emitwalo 10 100,000 per year. So that money goes into the pool in case omuntu afiiriddwa tugenda netukola ki netumuyamba. So that is the reason we formed the association. It had nothing to do with looking for money. Era wali otulabyeko nga tuli mu government offices nga tunoonya sente. Fe association yaffe twagiforminga lwa kwagaliza munno ku bizibu bye byatubaako. Yes. Kati ogenda olaba during COVID group yaffe ya WhatsApp yafuuka nga fundraising group. Okitegeera? Naye singa twali tulinayo pool twandibadde tuyambanga ku bantu bannaffe and it would have been easier. So that's the beauty of the association, and that is why we are forging a way to make sure it is stable and it moves forward.
Olweya Sebanga esigala wa?
Sebanga simanchi ya forminga. Yeah, forming a company. No, which is the truth. Yeah, kubanga ye director. Mu association temuli mu director. Mulimu ba presidents, vice president, treasurer, secretary, and they run for a certain time. Ye ya registering a company nga ye nanyini. So fe kati nga bwe ndi vice president of the association omwaka gwange gugwako this year sigenda kuddamu kwesimbawo omulala agenda kwesimbawo.
Salvador omwana oyo ani ali musonyi waba yakola company
ani
Seba?
No, si kizibu kye. Maybe you also didn't know. Ye yali amanyi tufominze tuka ya luzungu nga agenda kufominga ye ey'oluganda, but he did not know the rules of procedure on forming an association. Ye yafominga muki company.
Twagenda okulaba nga abayimbi bafominze federation ate kaseera katono ne tulaba nga namwe mukoze muyisa olukuŋŋaana. Abantu basooka ne balowooza ne bagamba nammwe mwagala kufuna ku ssente zino.
Ani ayita olukuŋŋaana?
Saawa abayimbi bakolera federation we mwayitira
ani ayita Muhanji yayita meeting nga Muhanji. Yes, that's why yaliko Alex Muhanji, CEO of Comedy Store. Nekireka yali ayina ebimuluma nga yagala tumuwulirize. So he formed the meeting. Unfortunately nali siriyo nali kachiri saliyo, but I posted it on my page calling all comedians to come and do it because it was important. If one of us has a grievance, it is good for all of us to listen to him. And I was very active when I was on phone actually nga meeting again amaso. So it's not related to the federation whatsoever. You have not seen us going to parliament, or going to Kapeka, or going to Mutundwe, or Guru, okufuna sente. No, twagala chintu chabe chibe streamline. Yes.
Kati bana abakikola obalabanga ki?
I have no comments on what they are doing. I don't know their intentions. I don't know what they are trying to achieve. Kubanga siri muyimbi, and it's for the benefit of musicians. Siri wange. Era balwanira copyright. Wendida mu oluyimba bansibe.
Ebyaddala. Bwetunira copyright abayimbi gye balwanira. Nammwe nga comedians mwetaaga copyright.
Yeah.
What's your basis on Bobby Wine and Kenzo?
Like I said, I don't know what is going on in their whatever is going on. Simanyi. Kosiberanga yo mu meeting ezabwe. So it's hard for me to tell what it's all about. But I don't see any difference in what Bobby Wine said and what the federation is trying to say. Oluzungu doza lwelwage na neluchankala nam. But Bobby Wine was sending the same message that the federation is trying to fight for. Yes. Na ebigambo maybe byakozesa bali bakitwalanga offensive. Yet it was it's just English.
Oluzungu
lwaleta obuziwaawo. But they were all having the same message. At the end of the day, they want their rights to be respected without looking like they are dependent on the government.
Wabigobamu Avumye Mpamire n'omugamba waliwo olunaku lwe bali olunaku nga bayomba ku kigambo kya MDD. N'ogamba Mpamire de bali.
Ebintu tetwagala tubingiremu nnyo. We can make fun of it, but don't show sides. Because right now, you cannot do comedy without music. And you cannot do music without comedy. Okay, you can do music without comedy. But okusigalawo, which is the honest truth. We as comedians, to sustain ourselves, we need musicians. So now when we're taking our sides over, sorry chigamba, over, yeah, that's why.
Oba
Nakatuli. He's my brother in this industry, and we fight for the same thing. But we don't also have to be also careless in what we say. We all love these artists from day one. They have all been on our shows. So why do you show sides? Ngoyagala chi likes? No.
So you are against Mpamire kyali agenda okukola. But for him yali arwanirira MDD kubaji agamba naye yagisoma ate emubezeza.
That was not the intention. It was not the intention.
Twawuliddeko ebino ebyagundi ebyo okuba nti oli mu kooti simanyi baagala osasula ebiki. Sooka otunnyonnyola kiki, what happened?
No, ebintu bya kooti biba bya kooti. So until you hear me come out to make an official statement, I cannot say anything about it.
No,
because the case is still in court. So oliye wasalawo okukiteeka mu mawulire akiteekeyo, but at the end of the day tujja kulaba ani aseka. Yes. At the end of the day, tujja kulaba ani aseka.
Abadde tudde mugamba Salvador ate bamugamba sasule zino sente ate make this amount on million ya 3.
Ndaba mu million ya 5 even. But at the end of the day, the law is the law. Weba gambo tekeyo million ya 5 inoziteekayo. Inoziteekayo. Ate kati olowooza mbadde nkolera majani. Nina okukola.
Okay.
So simple ndi mugaga, but when law ekukwata, you do everything to make sure you are on the right side of it.
Okay, thank you very much.
Blessings.